Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a product on Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add a product on Shopify, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Tap on products icon at the bottom right side of the page. On the next page, tap on add your product option. Now enter your product title, its description with images, enter your product's price, sales channel, variants including its color and sizes, values, available inventory, and click on an arrow icon at top right corner of the page. This is how you can add a product on Shopify quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.